Thank you, sir, for first of all for giving this opportunity. Okay, I'm Dipesh from Mumbai. I'm into market for last 21 years. I started in year 2000 as a dealer in a franchisee of Sher Khan, and then slowly grew up to a partner level. But my passion was trading. I wanted to be a full-time trader. So in 2011, we sold off the company, and I started my journey of a full-time trader. So I was with one good system. I'm still using that as my one of the separate system from yours, and I'm trading directional trading using that system. So from 2011, ups and downs, and then I started, exploring options. But I was never very keen of options because I read somewhere option buyers are like losers, 95% of them. And since option selling was an art, which I never knew, but in last like in last year Corona and everything, I started exploring different tutors for option writing. So I came across one or two. I started following the strategies, but nothing worked for me. So basically, I'm like from 4 or 5 years, I'm very disciplined trader myself. So stop loss and everything, risk management, everything is under control. Then one fine day, my one of the best day of my life, I was scrolling Facebook and I came through your promotional message. So what hit me was one line that, do you want to be part of that 4% group? Because I always heard about that 5% people. Those always, the wealth getting transferred from 95% to those 5%, always. So I thought, let's give it a try. Then in your session, within like 10 to 15 minutes, I thought this person is the right person. Ultimately, after trial and error, I got the thing. So I went ahead, enrolled for your course. I thought that T3 was the only thing which you are supposed to give us with that, in your introductory, you said you can go profitable in every month. So that's it. Nothing more into that. Then I opened your strategy world and I was surprised, like, oh my God, kitna sara hai. So anyways, then I started trading like for 1 week. I started with low quantity and that gave me confidence. First of all, there was no bias in the system. There is no, you can say like no fear. There is no stress at all. You just put your orders, stop losses, go away. So that gave me a little bit confidence. Then I started from January, I increased my quantity. Straight away, I went from 1 to 5. Then February, vis-a-vis, I was listening to all your recordings, all the courses and everything. And, that gave me confidence that there are so many systems and each and every system is mechanical. You are not supposed to intervene anything. Once you enter it, you follow the rules. That's it. That's a game. So in February, I diversified myself using one of your videos about the diversification. I entered into a different, since I'm into market for 20 years, I have that capacity to, enter four strategies at the same time. So that out, and February was fabulous for me. Like on first day, first of budget, I mean, this was the best budget ever. So, that was really good day. So, secondly, what I liked is that mind mapping sessions of yours. I actually I go through them a lot because what I understand, system is only 50%. 50% is the trader's mindset. And I have seen all the, one more thing I will appreciate about the weekly Platinum Circle videos. I mean, live session, sorry. So, you try to first 15 minutes are always dedicated towards, cleaning up the mess, which is over here in the trader's mind. So I used to, listen over and over. Even in our Telegram group also, I used to share, this is the way, I mean, trading is a separate part altogether. Psychology is very important because people are getting, disturbed with the two stop losses hitting in a row. And on that expiry day, everyone was, raining money. So that's what your thought is always, to be a monk. And really, I like that. I appreciate that because what you suggest is you don't get excited by the profits. You don't get frustrated by the losses. You stay in equilibrium as always. So I think, one more thing I wanted to share, like my capital is, distributed into five to six different systems. Two of them are lately not working. I don't know because I got your system, maybe the reason. So from March onwards, I'm stopping them completely and shifting whole capital into these systems. So I'm increasing my quantity further. Even margins are increased, no doubt. So I have to, put up for that also. But I will give a simple message. If somebody comes across that Facebook promotion page or your website page, that's jackpot, basically. If they follow you thoroughly, if they follow all the rules and regulations which you have mentioned in each and every strategy, things will go, great.
Yes, Deepesh, yes.
I'm really thankful.
So you've already been into systematic trading, right? So even before you came in, you've already been into that systematic.
That was the direction. You have to use your judgments and everything. There was no mechanical rules to the system. So sometimes, emotions, your bias, your television news, your newspapers, there are so many, obstacles, so many noise, chaos in the market. In your system, there is nothing matters, even if it is budget, even if it is something like markets stop trading, or it is expiry, or whatever it may be. Market opens gap down, no problem, you sell. A day before expiry day, you were trading 15,100 strike. Suddenly on the next day, you are trading 14,600.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
So there is no fear in trading 600 points down or 500 points up. So that is the main thing, because otherwise, in other technical systems, when there is a gap down opening, you can't trade because of your personal bias. Market is opened so much lower. If I go short and market goes up, if I go long and market goes down, here there is no such strings attached. It's very clear with that.
Yes. Even, when I got started in my initial years, we traders come up with a lot of things, right? So, based on what has happened in the recent past. And there was, there was a period where I was believing that, whenever the markets trended a lot up, it's going to be in the sideways for a very long time. And, we stopped trend following. And that is the time when the market starts falling. And,
exactly.
All these biases and heuristics, right? So these are holding back traders, a lot of traders. And again, it is very easy for anybody to post their view online, any or Twitter or any place, and that little information will be deep inside us somewhere. That is going to come up and
try to align myself.
Going to conflict with our systematic trading. So that is like, even when I got started with systematic trading, I did all the backtests. And when I started, the drawdown started. When I put in the money, the drawdown started. And in fact, I call that was a blessing in disguise, because I didn't want to give up. I want to come out of the drawdown, and that is when you see, there is always going to be a dip. And I really, really appreciate that you're taking more time in helping other traders in the group.
Yes.
Because again, teaching is the best way of learning, and that is what even I'm trying to do.
Right.
Growing, and there are a lot of people who are successful, and there are a lot of people who are still on the fence. So it is definitely my interest to motivate them, right? Because it is like, all these motivation speakers say that they're already sitting on acres of diamonds. It's just that they do not realize that they're already sitting in a group of people who are hitting. There are big hitters, and there are people who have experienced. Like, I just recently did another interview, right? So, and again, people with experience of more than 20 years coming in and unlearning and starting fresh. And so that is the kind of mindset we need to go. So what will be that advice you give for the people who are just starting?
Simple advice, looking at the chats going on the Telegram group, I would advise everyone, to just you go to the video, listen to 3, 4, 5 times, then connect with the group. Directly posting what is the stop loss, what is the target. Achha, one more important thing. There is no need every day to post my stop loss got triggered, my stop loss got triggered, my stop loss got. Stop losses are meant to be triggered, and we are very happy if stop loss gets triggered. Then only your market will trend.
Yes.
Might be
the viewers' profits. So
exactly. They might be cross verifying that only my stop loss got triggered, others not triggered. There is nothing like that. Actually, everything. In 2-3 trades, I remember my T3 stop loss triggered at the top, and everyone was saved. I said okay. In 3-4 days later, few posted that our stop loss triggered, mine was not triggered. So everything, I repeatedly say them, everything will average out after 6 months. Everything. Our profits, our results will be more or less same. There is no difference. If you go like that.
Okay, so your primary tools are, I know you've been open, you've been sharing your trading journal as well. In terms of what are the systems that you use. So you primarily use intraday as well as T3, the professional ones, and you are still manually executing it, right?
100% manual.
100% manual. So how do you plan your trades? It's almost like you place trades every 30, 40 minutes.
don't know. Matlab, that's everyone is actually someone called me. You are a alien. You are with the superpowers. So
Yes.
like that actually trading. I'm into market for like 20 years, and once upon a time I used to do jobbing also. So my speed is little greater than compared to the other traders. Basket is the only option which I am using with Nest Trader of SaaS Online. Uh, Rest, putting stop loss and everything is mentioned in the Excel itself. I have to just fill in my entry price. Stop loss always reflects there. I just put stop loss. That's it. So I'm right now. I'm doing DTR. Actually, when fella is there in the group, we are trying to backtest it with a different stop loss percentage. Different. Just to arrive at the best one, I have chosen like 7 stocks for DTR. There's a fixed stocks. Earlier, I used to do like everyday scan and everything. So one day I asked you, you said whatever suits you, you go ahead with that. So one is DTR, one is Heiken SE that hourly, and one is our options. Everything options. I have shared my whole timetable, what things I'm doing, and with the quantity itself. So from March onwards, I'm trying like 2-3 strategies I will be doing with the butterfly because of the rise in margins. So it will compensate the other strategies. But okay, overall, these are the 3 systems, and I have noted down 3-4 more which I'm yet to study them, backtest them, paper trade them, and then I will apply them into the live market. So that's it. This is what I am following from your side.
All right, all right. It was nice talking to you
Same here,
because
same here, sir.
yes, people want to hear from others, right? And
Exactly.
how they are managing it. And of course, for me, still, most of even the live session, you would have seen that I slip my stop losses and here and there, right? So I have a person who's doing it, and of course,
Okay.
there is something that we can learn from each other. And of course, you have that experience of the terminals, right? So you have always worked with dealer terminals, and so it must be
Yes.
easy for you. Okay, all right. So yes, great talking to you, Deepesh.
Same here, sir.